wala na tayong ulam, no?
Meron ba?
Ang daming veggies, grabe.
Oh, we have to finish the vegetables. Dapat bukas mag-save tayo natin sa 2 or 3 itlog. Gawin natin tortong talong. Pwede. Oo. Sayang yun.
Pero bawal ito yun.
Oo, tama. Anyway, just have to type lang na 3. Hindi sila pwede sa talong. Talong din?
Hindi, ang talong is just for kusino kasi may society din.
Ito, may talong mo ba?
Oo.
May rice ba? Meron. Sorry.
Bawal kami.
Wala pa. Sorry.
Yay! Walang ulam sa pretty.
Mamatay dito ang kumain.
Bahala na din.
Hindi, siyempre gagawa kayo ng ulam na hindi.
Ako yun.
Hindi.
Pero, ang bawal ko sa talong, hindi na yung allergic ko sa paa. Ito wala sa pag ito, namumumaga, namumula.
Ba't di ka nagsasalita?
Tama. Alam mo kanina pa?
Salamat, Kuya David. Okay lang. Salamat, Sachi.
Sachi.
Salamat, Sachi.
Thank you, Viney.
Galing ka sa
Thank you, Kuya Tim.
Thank you, Kuya.
Lahat.
Lasing? Lasing na yan.
Pwede. Gusto ko.
Meron ulam?
Alin?
Lasing.
Ano? Gusto mo malasing? Kuya.
Marakay daw.
Baka naman wild ka pag nalalasing. Oo.
Yeah.
Never. Yay! Never. I'm always good.
Never, ever.
That's okay. You're too drunk to remember. Pero grabe, nagsuka kaya ako nun eh.
Ikaw?
Pwede? No way. I woke up around. Okay, let's change topic. Everyone's eating.
Uy, bawal na.
Yeah.
Ikaw ha? No, yung unang week. What? Ay, what's up, boys? Ikaw! You said which to me. What's the answer? Oh, okay. Wait for it now, Dave.
Can you smell it? Oh man, I can't smell it. I was fine.
It's burning. Alam niya, it's burning.
Remember the bed?
Alam mo, napanood
And
niya.
there's the canal guys.
I was
yan. Okay,
Or kung hindi niya man napanood, baka
Mamaya na.
may nagkwento.
Mamayog sa pizza.
Hindi nag-ibig sa atin ganito. Yan. Kaya lipat natin. Lipat natin ang saka.
I don't know. Oo, mango.
Yay!
And then I'm warming it up.
Yay, Mongo!
Mango, baby.
Awan, dinaan ko nga sa rice. Hindi ako nabubusog.
Yay!
Saan yun nag-smoke? Ketchup? Si Kevin naman. I thought you wanted to... Pwede gusto mo kape? Kape? Saan nag-smoke? Kanin? Kanin? Oh, yung plato?
Why'd you...
Pusko. That's you. That's you. For spreading the virus.
Okay lang.
That's you for spreading the virus. Sarap kaya? Salamat. Sarap. More. Color up.
Kasi kakapaskin.
Sarap. Kevin. Sarap? Bago. Sarap.
Breakfast na.
Pumpkin. Sarap. Creamer. Condensed milk. Si popcorn, Kevin.
Oh, popcorn.
yeah,
There's one cup. Get another cup, Dave. That's good. Here. Yes. Kevin, that's yours. Tapos na. Is that it? Okay.
Masarap siya may munggo. Mas masarap na may munggo.
Ah, nice to say.
Damn. You would know it's pumpkin. Damn. 2 bananas would be good.
Perfect. Wala. Wala sinabi. Wala.
Bawal.
Oh, so good.
Wala siya sinabi.
Banana.
Yeah, you can taste the banana.
Siyang sinabi.
That's a porridge.
Pwede rin siya.
Oo.
Yan na siguro. Kasi may punto
Yeah, baby food.
Taste
Like a nice porridge or something.
Paano lutuin ka? Paano? How to make?
Pumpkin. Pumpkin.
Whatever you find, you put it in there. You do that here a lot.
Hello.
Ingredients. What?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Kalabasa.
Pumpkin. Dalawang banana. Creamer. Creamer and water you mix together, tapos you pour it in.
Yeah.
Creamer and with tubig.
A lot of creamer.
Mix together, tapos pour it in. Tapos,
Grabe.
tubig, wala na. Tubig, Anthony. Walang tubig.
Is creamer
bad?
Tapos na.
No, we're using Salamat guys.
Sarap, diba?
Kasi alam lang namin sa...
What were the nicknames you gave me for Anthony?
Ano yun? Anthony, Tony, Tonda. Is that real? Tony. Oo.
Okay, that's a Chesky.
Oo, they call me Tonda.
Honda.
Anthony.
Hindi, Anaconda. Anaconda. Si David, anong chess name? Davide.
That's it, yeah.
Davide.
Guys, nature is calling. So, just bear with me 1 moment.
Announcement.
Just bear with me for 1 moment.
Go for it.
Calling you, I just gotta go.
Go for it.
It's alright.
Go for it. Bakit lamig siya?
Now?
Ano daw?
Grabe.
Barakay.
Kailangan lang sasabihin, di ba? Pumunta ka ng story 2.
Kuya.
Pero last time kasi di ba parang pinadala ni Kuya. Ay, hindi naman ako gusto mo.
Okay lang.
Ako na. Let's gawin na naman natin yung ginawa. Pero parang kataba yung ginawa natin.
Grabe. Lalo na yung ginawa namin ni Dean, sobrang daming creamer.
Hindi mo alam yung ginawa namin. Isang cup kaya yun ng creamer.
Kami din, kasi siguro kalahati ng ano.
Yan. Dapat ganyan. That's why yung iba yung the first time nagtimpla kami, takot kami na damihan.
Welcome
back. Namin kasi yung binakuha.
Pero ano, sarap.
Isang cup, parang hanggang dito yung sugar, tapos yung creamer din yan.